Hello, third and fourth grade. This week we are going to talk about lesson 13, Alien Dance Party with Sprite Lab. So we're going to walk through each one of these. I hope that you can keep up. Remember, you can always pause the video so you can finish your work and then we can go on. Okay? So number one is a prediction. So they want you to look at this code, and here's a sprite that looks like a blue alien. What do you think will happen when you click on it? So looking, set background to sci-fi, make new sprite. When it is clicked, it's going to patrol up and down. So I'm going to predict it's going to fly up and down. So you have to click on it, and then you have to click on the alien. Okay, and then when I'm done, I'm going to hit finish. And so congratulations, you completed puzzle 1. Simple, easy. Okay. Hey, puzzle number 2 is a video, so let's watch the video.
Now that you've learned how to use Sprite Lab, you're going to want to make your program react when someone plays with it. To do that, you are going to use events. Blocks like when clicked and while touching are called event blocks. The code connected to an event block runs when the appropriate input, like a click or a tap, is detected. For example, if you attach this change size by block to the when alien 1 clicked event, the sprite will change size when the alien is clicked. Notice that event blocks don't snap into your main program. Instead, they create little programs of their own. Remember that even if the event only happens one time, behaviors will go until you tell them to stop. You can use a stops block if you don't want multiple events to combine behaviors. Using events, you can create imaginative programs and interactive worlds. Give it a try.
It's important that you click on these, like number 2 here, and then make sure you hit continue, just so that it turns green, and when I look at it, it will be green. Okay, so I'm going to do immersion history, and I'm going to start over. So this one says we still have the same thing that we just had. So the alien was proud of its dancing skills on Mars, but now it can only move side to side. Replace the behavior block in Sprite to a different one that will make the alien start spinning. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this patrolling out, and we're going to trash it, go into behaviors, and then you have to go down until you find one that's spinning. Okay, spinning right. I'll put that in there. I'm going to hit run, click on it. Okay, easy. If you want to share your game to a phone or to your with your mom or dad, there you go. You can click on that and send it to a phone. Let's continue. And again, I have to start over. If you notice right up in here, it has that little like link. That means every time you do something, it's going to carry on to the next lesson. Alright, so it says create a new sprite that looks like a pink alien. Make it do anything you want. Try using a new move this time. So I got to throw that patrol out and put in the spinning. Alright, so I'm going to go to sprite. And a lot of kids are getting confused with this. They're putting this over here. No, you're going to put your sprite up here. Okay, when run. Then we are going to go to events. We're going to get a when block. I like keeping all my when blocks together. Go to behavior, sprite begins. And then we got to make these match up to the pink one. Okay? And the behavior is what I wanted to do. I like when it moves left and right. So I'm going to run. I'm going to click on both of them. Okay, pretty easy, right? Pretty simple so far. Try to keep all these blocks together. Don't throw these away for any reason yet, okay? All right, so I'm going to go to number 5. Okay, so this one says, form an alien dance crew. Create a third sprite that looks like a yellow alien and make it begin to dance when clicked. Set all your aliens to stand in a horizontal line like this. So a lot of kids struggle with this one today, but once I showed them to it, it made complete sense. So I bring everything up so I can see. I'm going to go to sprites. I'm going to bring this out. They said it wants it to be yellow. So I'm going to make that yellow. Now if you look at where these things are at, they're right on top of each other. So I'm going to pull out this block, go back in the sprites, and I'm going to get the block that says, oops, I'm going to get the block that says 300, 100. And now they're standing in a straight line. We're going to go to events. When clicked, keep them all, like I said, keep them all together so you can see. Go to behaviors, sprite begins, and we're going to change this to yellow. And did it say any kind of dance? Okay, any kind. It doesn't really give us an instruction. So I'm going to put growing. So I'm going to hit run, click on the pink, blue, and the yellow. And that's it. This is the biggest problem right here. Right, go on to number 6. Immersion History. Going to start over. Now it took me all the way back. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back to 5. It must have started them all over. Okay. So you should have your two sprites. So I'm going to bring out that one. That one. One's going to be yellow. And it's going to be 200. And then we're going to put 300 in there. I know that I move fast. I'm just trying to make up for the mistake I just made. I should not have started over. Okay, one's going to be pink, and one's going to be yellow. And this has got to be pink. Everything's got to match up just right. Okay. And it doesn't matter. Okay, so it says create. Let's try using a different kind of event. Create a single press key event using when up pressed. For this event, you want to make each of your aliens change colors. Choose any key you like, but if you're using a touch screen, we would recommend up, down, or right. So we are going to put in another event, one of these, when, and I'm going to pull 3 of them out since we have 3 sprites. And I'm going to go to actions, change color. And again, I'm going to pull 3 of those out. Okay. Now you can use the different keys. I'm just going to use the same key. So I'm going to change the pink to, let's go yellow. And we're going to change the yellow to black. Right? So I'm going to hit run, get them all moving. Then I'm going to hit the up key right here. And that's it. like I said, some kids today in class were having trouble with some of these, and I think it's just because they try to do too much at one time. All right, number 7. Okay, now see, it should have everything um, that you had on the previous. I even have more in here. It says these aliens are running wild. Let's calm them down by ringing a bell. So we are going to go into sprites and grab this, make a new bell. And then the event, when the bell is clicked, we want to change it to bell. When the bell is clicked, it stops everything. So we go to behavior, and I'm going to click on bell, and then I'm going to hit run, touch all these guys. Oh, I see. I have too many. I have too much stuff in here. I'm gonna go back to that one real fast and make sure I fix it. See, I have 2 bells in here. Right. Let me try again. That's it. Okay. Number 8. For the pink alien, fun is contagious. Touching it makes anyone else want to dance. So what we're gonna do, and I already have one down here, I think. Okay, here it is. We're gonna pull out, go to events, pull out when the pink arrow, the pink alien touches any, let's say the blue sprite starts growing. So I'm gonna hit run. Why is this not working now? Okay, I see. So we don't have an event block here. And I'm not sure why. Okay, we gotta make sure they match up. And then we're gonna bring another event block out. Okay, now it should work. See, when the pink one touched the blue, it started growing. Okay, number 9. Now create your own alien disco. Look for this inspiration. It says here's some things that you can do, and I'm going to try to pull all these up. And they're all working. So I'm going to make a new alien. Pull a new sprite out. Let's see, I can make a different color one. I'm going to move it around a little bit. So if I click right here on that little marker, I can move that alien up here. Make them do more dances. Okay, so when event, I'm going to put when the white alien touches the pink, pink begins to, what's she doing now? And let's just make her do spinning right. How's that? Just for fun. Hit run. Start clicking on them. Look how big the blue one's getting. Oh, I don't have a behavior for the new one. When that one's clicked, when the white one's clicked, Sprite begins. Right, and behaviors. Let's just put patrolling. Now we can. Now it should work. I click on each of them. I think it's cool how the blue one keeps getting bigger and bigger. Okay, just hit finish, and you're done. And that's it, boys and girls. I hope that will be helpful for you, and I hope to see you next Monday, or Tuesday, or Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. Bye.